Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Saurabh Sharma and I am a company secretary by profession and a sarcastic speaker eventually. Well, I'm here to tell you about this amazing 1 minute life-changing technique that if you'll follow, you'll be more happier, healthier and wealthier. Sounds good? Like anybody could take out a minute for themselves in a day. But before learning this technique, we need to know why do we need to follow this technique so bad. Like almost each one of us in life must have set a new goal or challenge, right? Like studying for an exam or earning more money or getting a fit body. But as soon as we start to move towards that goal, we give up too early. We start making excuses that we are just not ready yet or we'll do it later sometime. Excuses sounds best to the person who's making them up. It's like feeling sorry for yourself, as excuses are not valid, they are fabricated, they are lies. And how do you stop lies? You stop lies with the truth. The truth is, you have time, you have the skill, you have the knowledge and the resources which is required to get things done. But then question arises, when we have everything, then why do we quit too early? The main reason most of the people give up too early is they don't possess the most important habit, which is something called commitment. The definition of commitment means an engagement or an obligation which restricts freedom of action. That means you no longer have the freedom to do anything else once you commit to something. And now you might be asking yourself, how do I really get this commitment thing in myself? Well, the best answer I can give you is to follow this technique which I'm about to share with you guys. This amazing 1 minute life-changing technique is called Kaizen, which is originated from Japanese culture. This word contains two roots. First one is Kai, means change, and second one is Zen, means wisdom, which includes the idea of 1 minute for self-improvement. Now the question arises, how to pursue this technique? It's too easy, a 5-year-old kid could do it. All you have to do is, you should practice doing something for a single minute every day at same time. I will repeat myself, you should practice doing something for a single minute every day at same time. For example, I clap my hands from 3 p.m. to 3:01 p.m. every day with precision of time, right? I will clap my hands every day for a single minute. But clapping is just an example. You guys can do whatever you feel like. It could be praying for a minute, singing a song for a minute, or stretching up your body for a minute. You can do whatever you feel like. But I would personally suggest to choose something which includes body movement or brings you joy or satisfaction. And it could be anything, but not boom boom chow, right? 1 minute a day sounds fair enough. Like, clearly it shouldn't be any trouble for absolutely anyone. Even the laziest person could do it. Maybe at first sight, this technique might seem doubtful or ineffective. As we have grown up in the Western culture, it might seem doubtful, but I can assure you that if you'll follow this technique very carefully and every day, it will do miracles to your life. I hope you'll follow this technique for the rest of your life. And even if you don't, I really want you to think for a minute that what's really stopping you in life. Is there a thing that is stopping you, or what's really stopping you is you? Thanks for watching, guys. If you love this video, kindly like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are mentioned below in the description.